beautiful women from small towns and villages. Today, what you're about to witness is not just another training, it's a bold transformation story. Just 2 days ago, the women you are seeing were unsure, quiet, hesitant. They are SAG leaders who didn't know how to manage their books. They were confused about their roles. Voices were low, confidence was missing. But today, just 48 hours later, they are speaking up. They are setting goals. They are handling conflicts, assigning roles, planning federations, and leading with clarity like a true change maker. This is the power of real training, not just rule books and registers, but mindset, leadership, and courage. When women understand their worth, their roles, and their responsibilities, magic happens. When SAG leaders who once didn't know what a leader does are now designing action plans. Women who fear asking questions are now training their peers. That is transformation. And that's why I do what I do to awaken the rural women leaders who've been sleeping inside for a very long time. Now, if you're part of an SAG, a VLF, or a CLF, or any other organization, and you're feeling stuck, unheard, or lost, then this message is for you. Comment leader below if you are ready to lead with confidence. You don't need a degree or a permission to lead. You just need the right mindset and the right mentor. I'm here to train, to guide, and to empower you, just like I did with this incredible woman. Now it's your turn to step into your purpose. Transform with purpose, lead with power, start your journey today. Thank you and see you soon. Bye now.